overload. And nobody's gonna go to school today. She's gonna make them stay at home. And Daddy doesn't understand. He always said she was good as gold. And he can see no reason, 'cause there are no reasons. What reason do you need to be sure?